Adamawa Fulfulde, an introductory course. Lesson 1. Here's the dialogue for Lesson 1. Magaram will say it for you once at a normal pace, and then twice more, giving you time to repeat. Ready? Listen only.
Moyejo, gorko, moye, buuba, buuba ɗumejo, buuba pullo.
Now, repeat each line after Magaram. Ready? Repeat.
Moyejo, gorko, moye, buuba, buuba ɗumejo, buuba pullo. Moyejo, gorko, moye, buuba, buuba ɗumejo, buuba pullo.
Exercise 1. Consonants. Repeat after Magaram. Ready? Repeat.
Balte, balte, ɓernde, ɓernde, ceeɗe, ceeɗe, doggugo, doggugo, ɗiɗi, ɗiɗi, fahamugo, fahamugo, gorko, gorko, hoore, hoore, jangugo, jangugo, kiikiiɗe, kiikiiɗe, leeso, mawnugo, mawnugo, nanugo, nanugo, nyallugo, nyallugo, pukaraajo, pukaraajo, resa, resa, sorugo, sorugo, tummude, tummude, warugo, warugo, yarugo, yarugo, emol, emol, wi'ugo, wi'ugo.
Exercise 2. Vowels. Repeat after Magaram. Ready? Repeat.
Kano, Kano, Keni, Keni, Kine, Kine, Kori, Kori, Kuri, Kuri.
Exercise 3. Glottal stops. Again, repeat the words after Magaram. Ready? Repeat.
We are. We are. Ye are. Ye are. He are. He are. A. Qui est. Qui est. Oui. Oui. Yi. Yi. Oui ou. Oui ou. Yi ou. Yi ou. Go. Go.
Exercise 4. Glottalized B. In the following sets of monosyllables, the first contains a plain or plosive B, and the second contains a glottalized B. Listen for the difference between the two sounds as Magaram reads them. Ready? Listen.
Bo. O. Ba. Ba. Be. Be. Bi. Bi. Bu. Bu.
This time, repeat each sound after Magaram. Ready? Repeat.
Bo. O. Ba. Ba. Be. Be. Bi. Bi. Bu. Bu.
Now, here are pairs of words. The first word in each pair contains plain B's. The second word contains glottalized B's. Listen for the difference as Magaram reads them. Ready? Listen.
Boko. Boko. Bota. Bota. Bulki. Bulki. Babaji. Babaji. Jabbe. Jabbe.
This time, repeat each word after Magaram. Ready? Repeat.
Boko. Boko. Bota. Bota. Bulki. Bulki. Babaji. Babaji. Jabbe. Jabbe.
Exercise 5. Glottalized D. Listen for the difference between plain B and glottalized D as Magaram reads the following monosyllables. Ready?
Da. Da. Di. I. De. De. Do. 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 Do.
Now, repeat each sound after Magaram. Ready? Repeat.
Da. Da. Di. I. De. De. Do. du, ɗu.
The first word in the following pairs of words contains a plain D. The second word contains a glottalized D. Listen for the difference as Magaram reads them. Ready? Listen.
Dabba, ɗabba. Woodi, wooɗi. Hadugo, haɗugo. Daani, ɗaani. Kadi, kaɗi.
Now repeat each word after Magaram. Ready? Repeat.
Dabba, ɗabba. Woodi, wooɗi. Hadugo, haɗugo. Daani, ɗaani. Kadi, kaɗi.
And now, when Magaram gives you a word, tell whether the B or the D is plain or glottalized. I will confirm your answer so that you will know if you are correct. For example, we say,
Bokko,
you say, plain.
Plain.
We confirm, plain. Or we say,
wooɗi.
you say, glottalized. We confirm, glottalized. This exercise is not specifically written in the text. Ready? Tell whether the B or D is plain or glottalized. Begin.
Bulki,
Plain.
ɓaɓaaji.
Glottalized.
Ɓokko,
Glottalized.
hadugo.
Plain.
Wooɗi,
Glottalized.
woodi.
Plain.
Kadi,
Plain.
ɗaani.
Glottalized. Exercise 6. Here are some new vocabulary items. Repeat after Magaram. Ready? Repeat.
Debbo, debbo. Ɓingel, ɓingel. Ɓi'i, ɓi'i. Ɓiɗɗo, ɓiɗɗo. Mawɗo, mawɗo. Kadi, kadi. Zainabu, Zainabu. Usmanu, Usmanu. Abdullahi, Abdullahi.